The TaskActions tool of the myPDMtools suite allows you to perform a multitude of actions in a single PDM task. This task can be executed automatically at the change of state or directly from the PDM right-click menu. With TaskActions, it is possible to create and concatenate PDM variables via the Task Properties function. The tool also allows you to automatically rename processed files using PDM variables. In addition, TaskActions allows you to automatically associate actions from other myPDMtools. For example, doc publication, PDM rebuild, or revision table, as well as tools from the CAD tool suite such as integration or draw and translate. Finally, the tool also allows you to apply stamps directly to native PDF files. To get started, simply create a task, name it, and choose the myPDMtools add-on. We will select the machine that will run the task. We will now choose the TaskActions tool. We can then add different actions. We will start by concatenating a PDM variable with a smart counter. Just create a custom field and add the different variables to concatenate. We will then add a rename action to automatically rename the files with the previously created variable. Finally, a PDF conversion task is added. We can see here that the checkout and check-in actions have been automatically added to the process. We will change the name that will appear in the right-click menu. Now let's perform this task directly by right-clicking on a file. You can see that the drawing has been renamed and that the PDF file is generated. We will now edit a TaskActions task to add a PDF stamp. Simply type in the text of the stamp or select an existing image. Any existing PDF files can be automatically retrieved by setting the PDF location. This task can be added on a workflow transition. This will allow it to be executed, for example, automatically on a change of document status. This PDF stamp can then be used to indicate that the drawing is being modified. It is also possible to use the tool from the right-click menu on a selection of files. The result shows the correctly modified PDF file with the addition of the PDF stamp, without reconverting the file in SOLIDWORKS, which would take much longer and be heavier to manage.